Ever tried streaming from your phone, but your Samsung TV just won't cooperate? You're not alone. Here's how to get AirPlay working again. First, make sure your TV and your Apple device are on the same Wi-Fi network. It sounds simple, but it's the #1 reason AirPlay fails. Next, restart both your TV and your Apple device. Sometimes a fresh start is all you need. Still no luck? Make sure AirPlay is turned on. On your Samsung TV, press Home, go to Settings, then General, and select Apple AirPlay Settings. Make sure AirPlay is set to On. Check for updates. On your TV, go to Settings, then Support, and select Software Update. Update your TV if there's a new version. If it's still not working, try turning off Bluetooth on your Apple device. Sometimes Bluetooth messes with the connection. And here's a pro tip. Reset your TV's network settings. Go to Settings General, then Network, and select Reset Network. After trying these steps, AirPlay should work. If not, you might need to contact Samsung support. That's it. Quick, simple fixes to get you streaming again. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tech tips.